Welcome back to the channel. In this brand new video, I'm excited to show you something I never thought possible: updating a 7-year-old phone to the latest Android 16 in 2025. Hi everyone, TechRon's here, and today I'll walk you through installing Android 16 on virtually any Android device using the all-new Axion 2.0 GSI Rom. Right now I'm holding my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Yes, this phone is 7 years old. Currently, it's running the Downlaod ROM version 4.1, which is based on the Galaxy S24 port of Android 15 and One UI 7. Before we jump in, let's quickly go over what you'll need. First, download the GSI Rom file for the version you want to install. This contains the main system image, so make sure to extract it properly. It's essential that your bootloader is unlocked and that TWRP recovery is already installed on your specific phone model. Once everything's set up, power off your device. On mine, I hold down the volume up Bixby and power buttons to boot into recovery. But remember, the button combo might be different for your phone. Once you're in recovery, your first step is crucial. Back up all your data, including the EFS folder. I've tried several ways to flash GSI ROMs, and this method works perfectly for me. I'll also mention a couple of alternate TWRP methods that might work better for your device. Now go to Wipe, choose Format Data, type Yes, and hit the check mark. When that's done, select Advanced Wipe, then the Data Partition. Choose Repair or Change File System and set it to ext4. Swipe to confirm. You can flash the GSI now, but I like to flash the PE plus ROM first, then the GSI, though this is optional and you can skip it if you prefer. One important note: to flash Android 16, your phone needs to be running at least kernel version 4.4. There's actually a new kernel update available for my Galaxy S9 Plus that adds support for Android 16 and One UI 7, but this step may not be needed for every device. Next, select Install. I use a portable OTG USB drive with all the necessary files copied over, but an SD card works just as well. Pick the GSI system image. Remember, only the system partition will be modified. The boot, vendor, and product partitions stay as they are. Once the system image is flashed, return to Install and flash the updated kernel file. After that, you can reboot, but I usually flash a few more files for extra stability. Just something I've found works well for my device, but it's not required for everyone. Finally, flash the DFE and GSI patcher files and swipe to confirm. Time to reboot your device. Now let's be honest, this is an old phone and you can't expect miracles from the hardware. Sometimes GSI ROMs flash but get stuck in a boot loop, or they boot but have bugs. Not every ROM works perfectly. Here it goes. The system's starting to boot. I plan to keep testing different ROMs on this device, so stay tuned for more updates. It's on the home screen, and honestly, it feels surprisingly smooth. The status bar icons are updated, including a new battery icon. The entire UI has a fresh look. Check out that new transparent notification panel and quick settings. You can edit the toggles, and everything is resizable and well organized. Let's open the Settings app. It's been visually updated too. Head into About Device, and there it is. We're officially running Android 16 with the latest security patch. For a 7-year-old phone, it's performing really well. Most things are working as expected, but I have to say, this isn't something I'd recommend for daily use. GSI-based builds are still experimental, and there are definitely bugs. If you open the system settings, you'll notice extra features, some inspired by Samsung, others by Xiaomi. Because it's a GSI Rom, you can try installing it on other devices. Just make sure yours supports Project Treble, and that's the full process. Android 16 is running, the phone feels fresh, and it's a fun way to breathe new life into aging hardware. To sum up, Android 16 brings a modern look, smooth animations, and most features work well. It's not perfect, and you should expect some bugs, but it's a great way to experiment if you love trying the latest Android builds. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more. I love making these projects accessible for everyone. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.